That's what an inch or so of rain will do in just a few minutes. About a 3-foot path of water coming down the ditch. I thought I'd show you guys something real quick. Still running. We're under a flash flood warning until about 1:15. And how that limb got there, I'm not really sure unless it washed down. It couldn't have come off the tree because the county came and trimmed some of the limbs on the tree, so I was really glad about that. And I'll show you guys. You can already hear the water running. This is what I was curious about. Oh yeah, it got really high. This is my creek in about the middle of my property. And the creek went out of its banks and washed down water, washed down those weeds, and they were standing straight up. So it really got high really quick. In fact, the ground is so saturated I can't even walk on it. It's my neighbor's goats and chickens. No, it's a rural neighborhood, but he's got goats and chickens, and they have eggs every day, fresh eggs, which that's good. So yeah, the creek runoff was probably up a good 6 inches or so, and because it still hasn't gone down, it got very swollen. Okay, I just wanted you guys to know how much water fell in a very short period of time, and it's still running really good. So we're under a flash flood watch for another hour and a half, a couple of hours, and I just wanted to take the time to tell you guys that you never know what might happen, and today has been a very good day, and the Lord is good to give us each and every day. So I ask that there will be blessings upon your life, and also take time to remember the Lord today, because He loves you and He wants the best for you. And no matter what happens in life, just be sure that you know where your soul will be if anything should ever happen. I love you. God loves you. And I hope you have a blessed day and many blessings of peace, love, and joy in your life. Bye.